Hi students, today please look in your green spring and summer book at page 10. We will talk today about dandelions. When we talk about dandelions, we often say pulling dandelions, to take out the dandelions you can see here in this picture. Let's practice asking questions using pulling dandelions. Start with, am I? Am I pulling dandelions? Are you pulling dandelions? Is he pulling dandelions? Is she pulling dandelions? Is it pulling dandelions? It maybe is a dog, is pulling the dandelion. Are we pulling dandelions? Are you pulling dandelions? Are they pulling dandelions? This is the question using the to be verb about pulling dandelions. So before we read the story, I also want to teach you about parachutes. This word parachute is in the story because the seed of the dandelion looks like a tiny small parachute, and the wind blows the seeds like parachutes everywhere. Another word I want to teach you is blow. Okay, so when the wind, this is blowing. All right, and also look at this picture of the dandelion. You can see here the roots. The roots are in the soil. They go down in the ground. So you have the root, the leaves, and the flower, and the seeds are all parts of the dandelion. So please label your dandelion picture. Now let's read the story. The Dandelion. Read the following information and then complete the exercise below. One of the first wild flowers. Students, a wild flower is a flower you don't plant. It is wild. One of the first wildflowers we see in the spring is usually the bright yellow dandelion. Dandelions grow in the grass and in your garden. They are a sign of spring. Do people like dandelions? Many don't. They are weeds with long roots that are difficult to pull out. When a person breaks the root, a white juice comes out. In one day, the yellow dandelion flower turns from yellow to white. The blossom is now covered with little seeds that are like tiny parachutes. When the wind blows, the seed goes everywhere to grow more dandelions. People eat dandelion leaves. They collect dandelion leaves in early spring and the late fall, before the flowers appear. Dandelion greens leaves are good in salads or sautéed. Students, sautéed means cooked with oil in a pan, or steamed. Steamed means cooked with water. But they are very bitter if you pick them too late. So bitter means doesn't taste good. Not sweet. Bitter means not sweet. Bad taste. People also make dandelion tea and dandelion wine. Dandelions are very healthy. But students, make sure that you don't eat the dandelions when they aren't clean, if they have some chemicals on them. So be careful about that. Okay, look here. For each statement below, do the following. Number 1, make a statement into a question. Number 2, make the statement into a negative statement. 3, write the correct statement. So first we need a question, then we need a negative, then we need the correct 3 sentences or questions. Example, dandelions are blue? No. So number 1, question. Are, so we change the R to the front. Are dandelions blue? Question. Negative. Dandelions aren't blue. Correct statement. Dandelions are yellow. Let's do number 1 together. Dandelion tea is unhealthy. Un means not, but it is healthy. So first we need to write a question. So we take the is and put it at the front. Is dandelion tea unhealthy? Unhealthy? Question mark. Now we need a negative. Dandelion tea. So is for negative, we need isn't. Dandelion tea isn't unhealthy. Now we need the correct statement. Dandelion tea is healthy. So the opposite of unhealthy is healthy. Healthy is good. Unhealthy is bad. Number 2, they, talking about dandelions, are a sign of autumn. Autumn? Fall? No, spring. So here we need to make a question. So are is at the front. Are they a sign of autumn? Question. Now B, negative. They are, how do we change are to negative? Aren't. They aren't a sign of autumn. Now we need the correct statement. They are a sign of spring. Okay, students. So number 3, they are very sweet. No, they aren't sweet. They are bitter. Bitter. Okay, so you can first write the question, negative, and correct. The correct answer is bitter here. Number 4, the head is covered in big seeds. Are the seeds big? No, they are small. So your correct statement will be small. Okay, students, please do page 10. Take a picture and send it to me. Thanks. Bye.